Picture this. You want to upgrade your home to smart control. Full lighting, shading, climate, one system for all your smart devices and automations. But you're living there. Maybe also working from home sometimes, and the usual chaos with kids, pets, etc. The last thing you need is someone tearing into your walls for 3 weeks. That's where ABB-free at Home Wireless comes in. Wireless devices, but professional performance. And you can actually live in your home while it is being installed. Revolutionary concept, right? For smaller projects, it's beautifully simple. Install the devices, connect through the app, and done. Control everything locally, lighting, shading, climate, no hub needed. Now, add the new System Access Point 3.0 wireless and things get really interesting. You can scale to up to around 150 devices, get secure remote access, and the part that installers really love, you can troubleshoot, update and manage systems remotely. Fewer emergency calls in your free time. And it plays nice with others. Samsung SmartThings, Google, Alexa, Apple Home, it all works seamlessly. You can even add Meta devices from other brands. That smart thermostat your client already bought? No problem, it will fit right in. Plus, with a new Thread USB stick, you're ready for whatever comes next in smart home tech. Because, let's be honest, this stuff changes fast. Homeowners can start small, maybe just with a few lights, and then add functions when they are ready. It grows with them. Whether you're retrofitting, renovating, or building from new, ABB-free at Home Wireless delivers smart control for every scenario.